Gindi Times welcomes you to the third edition of the Intern Diaries. I'm Anusha from CEG for the Gindi Times, and we have Shweta joining us to share her intern experience. Shweta, on behalf of the Gindi Times, I thank you for taking the time to talk to us. We really appreciate it. Shweta, can you please tell us a little about yourself?
I'm Shweta and I'm from Andhra Pradesh, but I was brought up in Chennai. I finished my schooling here at PSBB and my undergraduation at SRM Ishwari. I'm doing my master's in structural engineering at Anna University and I'm in my final semester working on my thesis and currently interning with Dow Chemicals for a period of 3 months.
Thank you. So to start off, can you tell us how you came across this internship at Dow Chemicals and which the forums that helped you were?
This internship was through campus placement, but I initially did not have the idea to apply thinking it was a chemical company. But one of my professors suggested that it's a really good company for any discipline. So that's how I went ahead and applied for it.
Okay, so once you set your mind on this internship, what was the selection process like and how big a role do grades play in it?
Selection process was pretty long and it was more like a job recruitment process. They had 4 rounds. First one was the technical written test, then the group discussion, the technical interview, one-to-one interview, and the final round being HR interview. It almost took a day. And about the grades, I wouldn't say it's the only main criteria that they look into. But when there are so many people applying, I think it's easier for them to filter with the grades apart from the technical knowledge and communication skills.
Okay, so now that you're in, can you please brief us on the project that you're currently working on?
This company, they have their own design aids and guidelines which they follow, like our standard code books. And I'm working on updating one such design document with the help of softwares like StatPro and RAM Connection and Mac 3D. It's actually a teamwork, and I was asked to coordinate with another intern from Houston, and we're working on it together.
So does this project require skills that you weren't really familiar with? And if so, how did you cope with this?
Yes, one of the softwares that they required me to work on was completely new to me. I had learned through YouTube tutorials, and they also taught me from scratch how it worked, and they provided me with the sample files that I could learn from, and they cleared all my doubts then and there.
Okay. So that does sound like a challenge. And speaking of challenges, given the situation, the pandemic situation that we're in, how were your plans modified? And how did the organization support you through these changes?
Yeah, the office is currently closed now because of the situation, so they had to change it to a virtual internship. But they were very supportive, I should say. They had provided me with a laptop installed with all the softwares that I was going to work on, and also the apps that they use for communicating and meetings, like WebEx and Jabber. They also taught me how to use them.
Okay.
They were very helpful and supportive.
Nice. So can you tell us what your first day was like?
My first day was mostly welcoming and introductions and getting familiar with some of the tools that they used for meetings like Outlook, WebEx, Jabber, and how to schedule meetings, and also about getting to know all the other interns and employees.
Nice. So was this work environment different from college? And if so, in what ways?
In college, it is all about learning your basics, subject, and mugging up theories, writing exams. And sometimes we even think why we're studying all that. But in work, you can actually put the things that you have learned in your course to practical use. So you learn how to apply them, and somehow all that we've studied starts to make sense.
Mm. So you mentioned that you worked alongside a foreign intern. So comparatively, how did you find their technical and professional knowledge?
Technically, I did not find any difference, but there are certain things that we follow like Indian standards, whereas they follow American codes. And also the metric system, we deal with meters and centimeters, but they deal with feet and inches. And we learn a set of softwares according to our curriculum. For them, it might be different. These are the few changes that I found, but other than that, technically, I don't think I found much of a difference.
Okay. So did the company give you opportunities to maximize your knowledge and exposure in your field?
Yes, apart from the project that was given to me, there were weekly sessions that I had to attend along with the interns from Houston. So various leaders from the civil team would share their knowledge on the subject, and we were also given assignments on the information that they would give us, and we were divided into groups. So we used to work on it together and presented the alternate weeks.
Okay. So how was your interaction with the staff? Do they take an interest in you? Were they helpful?
Yes, they were very helpful and supportive. Like even if you bombard them with questions, they patiently answer and clarify all your queries. And even the other staff, they keep checking on me now and then, even if if I'm comfortable with everything. In fact, they also tell me that no question is a stupid question, and you always have to ask questions in order to make sure you understand what you're doing.
That's really nice. So doing this internship, how has your perspective of your future career enhanced?
Many industries, they have various career options that you can choose, and you generally tend to get confused on what path you have to follow. I think this internship has given me a clear idea in what I'm actually good at and what I can try later in my career.
Okay. Any funny incident you'd like to share?
Not exactly a funny incident, but their meetings are really fun to attend. They talk about video games and about what they cooked or ate, apart from the subject. And once there was one of the employees who were presenting on a topic for all the interns, and his dog was in the same room making a mess of everything in the room. So he had to bring his dog and make him sit on his lap and attend the session along with us. So they keep things really light, so it's really fun.
That's nice. So based on your experience, how do you think one can derive maximum benefit from an internship?
I think internships are a great platform to gain hands-on experience and build your skill set. They also improve your technical knowledge on the subject. It can also help in personal development, like, conducting yourself formally and communication skills.
Okay. So what advice would you like to give to our budding professionals?
If they're given opportunities like this, I think they have to make the best use of it, because your profile is something that is very important, and courses or internships like this will help boost your resume.
Okay. So to conclude, what do you think about the intern diaries?
I think it's a wonderful initiative. I know a lot of hard work goes behind this. You guys talking to people, approaching them, coordinating with them. I think you guys are doing a great job.
Thank you. Shweta, once again, I want to convey our gratitude to you for consenting to be a part of the Intern Diaries. It's been a pleasure talking to you. We at GT wish you all the very best for the future. Thank you.
Thank you.